This workshop, Planning Action OKR, has 3 outputs that we're looking for. Informing local people about the area action plan.
I came here today because I'm a local person who lives here.
So we want to collect information about what local people, both business owners and residents, what's meaningful to them about the area, how they see its future.
We're looking at the change in scale that the development's going to bring, which is quite hard to imagine if you can't actually just see it.
The final purpose of the workshop is to build capacity and understand the best way to have a meaningful consultation with people.
I'm just building one of the towers that they've proposed just to fit into the larger site model.